A very warm welcome and a good evening once more to our video review of our recently purchased directly from the lady owner, this 2019 on a 19 plate extremely rare BMW M Sport 230i, 249 brake horsepower, 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox in Alpine white with red coral heated leather interior. Absolutely stunning car. Done covered 28,000, I think it's 680 miles, but we will jump in and just correct myself if I need to on the mileage, but it is 28,000 and a few hundred miles. It has front and rear PDC, parking distance control. It has Pro navigation, so it has that all sought after large screen navigation, which allows you to store your music through the car's hard drive. A very good addition. It's voice activated as well. You have rear privacy glass, and we've added the front high gloss black grills together with a rear high gloss rear spoiler. So a lovely car, sits really well. It has a full BMW service record. Yes, that's correct. Every service by BMW, including a major service in January of this year, where I think even the spark plugs were replaced. I have got a picture of that service in the photographs on this vehicle. Cheshire Cars have been established for 27 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. All our reviews are available on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader. So please do take a peep through some of what people are writing about us. Based in Crewe in Cheshire, which is pretty central for the whole country. We've been delivering cars for 12 years. That's right, 12 years. The first car went to Brighton, and we've never ever come back with a car in that time. So we are rightfully delighted, and so too are our buyers. So let's have a look. So here we go, let's go into the front. Very few stone chips which have been touched in using the Alpine white BMW touch-up pencil. There are the high gloss double slatted grills, very easy to fit, and an enhancement to this vehicle. We do have the original BMW grills which are available should you require them, and we can put them in the boot of the car for the next owner if he or she would so desire. With the M Sport you get the nice aggressive front end, so it's a really nice aggressive front, and I have taken a picture of that, which is again is in the photographs. Jane, the car's owner, purchased a car from BMW as a used vehicle through the used vehicle scheme. She was a second owner, and these are the M Sport wheels, looking absolutely splendid. Tyres have been replaced very recently, and as you can see they are run flats and they are matching, so all four tyres have been replaced, and we've just replaced, I'm pretty sure I'm right in saying this, the rear brake pads on our inspection and PDI. All our vehicles undergo a workshop inspection with written copies should you require. Fantastic car. The 2 Series is just about the right size in my opinion, and look at that interior. No smoke, no dogs or cats have been kept in this vehicle, so there are no smells, odours or likewise, and it's in a very good condition. Lovely car. That's the large screen navigation. If you can just forward your eyes onto the dashboard there, so I'll go inside in a moment. Again, one of the rear tyres and the alloys, no marks on the wheels. Jimmy Lucetti from Curved Alloys has worked his magic on the wheels. It's all part of our preparation. You don't have to see the car and come and sort of ask for us to do things. We've already done them. Peter from BCP Car Detailing will be enhancing the car this weekend. It's already in such good condition that we haven't had it enhanced on the exterior. We have given it a 3 or 4 hours wash down, but that is the condition the car's come in, barring the wheels, and the tyres have been slicked obviously. Windows have been cleaned. We've done an interior clean to be fair, but Peter hasn't yet put his machine polishing onto the car with a ceramic infused wax. He will do that this weekend. Rear parking sensors, and that's the spoiler we've added. So there is the spoiler eye gloss. Same company that supplied the grille, supplied the spoiler. Carbon accents. Look them up on eBay or look them up on Google, you'll see them. We even go into cleaning the fuel fillers. We don't leave anything unturned here, everything is done. It's fair to say that our buyers are absolutely amazed when they see the car. You do not have to have the car delivered. You're most welcome to come and see the car here, and you can still have delivery. It's £1 a mile, and we only charge to get down to you, which just about covers our costs, or very close to covering our costs. Either Neil or myself will be delivering the car to you should you wish, or please come and take a trip up on the train. Crewe is obviously synonymous with the railways, and we can collect you from the station, which is what someone did on Monday. Came down from Scotland, from Glasgow. So let's hop in. Let's just check that mileage. So it is, if I can just squeeze myself around, 26,680. So I think I was right, 28,680, sorry. So that's the mileage. Inside here you have the split screen, but if we just take you into, for example, the navigation, go to the map, you get a full size screen, which is really nice. And I believe as well, when you've set it and programmed, it also comes up on the display here with it having the professional nav. It's all controlled. Let's put the lights on. It's all controlled here by the iDrive, which is pretty synonymous with all BMWs, and even the current ones I think have got a pretty similar system. That is a fantastic gearbox. I'm going to say that because it is. It's a truly wonderful gearbox, 8-speed, very robust. Very rarely, if ever, goes wrong. I don't want to sort of jinx things. We've never had one go wrong. Unlike some of the other German manufacturers I could mention. If I mention the word DSG, I guess some of you will be, oh no, not DSG. But again, they're fine if they're serviced properly. But this gearbox doesn't need any requirements for oil changes. I don't believe. It's just oil in that gearbox has been put in at the factory, and it stays in until the day it's scrapped, whenever that might be. You can also change the settings, the performance of the car through this switch here, Sport and Economy, Pro and Standard settings. There's your rear parking sensors. That comes up and shows you on the display just there. Just a beautiful car, absolutely stunning car. You get a USB in there, and I've already tuned my phone in, which is a little bit bled, so my apologies. Let's go into communication. So there's I'll show you my phone, David's iPhone just there. So yeah, very nice indeed. There's lots of photographs of the car, so please do take your time to have a look around them. But you have also got speed limiter and cruise control and voice activation here. Let me just give you, sorry, here. Cancel. So that's voice activation, and you've got the paddle shift. So you've got the sports automatic gearbox. It's not all M Sports and Sports come with the paddles. There's another £300 or £400 option, I believe, and you've got sort of a digital rev counter and mileometer in front of you. Auto LED headlights and daylight running lights, standard, and that's just in this area here. I've just turned them off for the purpose of the video. It's also got extended storage, which hopefully you can see that little glove box. You've got an extra net in the boot, which gives you options if you want to store things that might move around. Put them under the net and they shouldn't move around, or not move too far anyway. So yes, that's our car. It's available with car finance, either HP or PCP, and is available also. You could also trade a car in if you wish. Although I have to say to everyone already, we have a young man who is breaking the doors down to come and see it, if not buy it. So I'm going to finish the video now and get on the phone with Will in an hour or so's time once I've uploaded it to YouTube. Incidentally, our YouTube channel is well worth looking at. 1.2 million views and 1,600 plus subscribers. So please do have a peek at Cheshire Cars on YouTube. Well, have a fantastic evening. I believe we're having a heat wave this weekend, so if you're off work, enjoy it. And if you're not off work, then my commiserations to you. Let's hope you don't sweat too much at work. So that's our Alpine White 2019 19 plate 230i 2-door coupe BMW, ready to find its new owner.